Hello guys, Paul here with a quick remote maths lesson on percentages. Now all you're going to need for this lesson is a pen and some paper, and feel free to pause the video at any stage so that you can try the questions yourself, and then if you play again you will eventually get the solution. Alright, good luck. Right then, I'm looking for a new games controller. I found one that's £50, which is too expensive, but there's a 25% reduction. So I need to work out what the price is with the reduction. I could go about it by just chopping 50 in half to get 25, and then chopping it in half again to get 25%, which would be 12.5. But that doesn't work so well with numbers which are difficult to divide. So we're going to use this example to break it down. First of all, I need to work out what 10% is. Remember, you can pause at any stage. If I know 10%, I know 20% because I just double that. And to find 5%, I would just half what 10% is. Then I put the 20 and the 5% together to get the total reduction. Next, I need to subtract the total reduction from the original price, and I get the answer. So now it's your turn. I've got 7 questions for you to look at. You could pause now to have a look at them before we do it one by one. So first you need to take 60% away from 300. Pause now and write your answer down, and the solution will be coming up in a second. I would do this by finding 10% of 300, which would be 30, then multiply that by 6 to make 180. Then I need to take 180 away from 300 and I get 120. Now have a look at the next question, pause and work out your answer. So 10% of £32 will be £3.20, and 1% of £32 would be 32p. So 2% would be 64p, and we add the 64 to the £3.20 and then take that away from £32. Here's the next question. Pause it when you're ready. What you need here is half of 900, which is 450, and 1% of 900, which is 9. And then take away the total, 459, from 900, and you've got 404. Next question now. Pause when you're ready. So remember that if you know 10% of something, you can find 5% by halving 10%. Here comes the next question. Instead of 10%, I would find 1% of £60, which is 60p. Then multiply that by 7, you'll get 7%, £4.20. Take that away from £60. Next question coming up, guys. Think about this one because it's easier than it looks. If the controller has been reduced by 90%, then it will be on sale for a mere 10%. I just need to find 10% of the original price. So here we go for the final question. You could break this one down into an extra step and find, first of all, 50%, which would be £75, and then 10% would be £15. Then we would find 1%, which would be £1.50. Multiply that by 3, you've got £4.50. So then we're adding those three figures together, and we take them away from our original price. And that's it. And here are all the answers together. So I hope you enjoyed that. In the next lesson we're going to look at calculating percentage increase and using calculators to calculate the difference or change in percentages. Thank you. Ta-da!